Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing the Cottage at Sawmill Cove Lakefront. It's a non-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Some of the most popular facilities are free parking, free Wi-Fi, non-smoking rooms and a barbecue facilities. Located in Big Bear Lake, 2 miles from Alpine Slide at Magic Mountain, 2.1 miles from Big Bear Marina and 1.4 miles from Aspen Glen Picnic Area, the Cottage at Sawmill Cove Lakefront provides accommodations with a balcony and free Wi-Fi. Featuring free private parking, the vacation home is in an area where guests can engage in activities such as hiking and tennis. The vacation home has 3 separate bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, a fully equipped kitchen with a dining area, and a TV. Towels and bed linen are provided in this accommodation. The vacation home has a grill. Bear Mountain Golf Course is 5.8 miles from the Cottage at Sawmill Cove Lakefront, while Pine Knot Ranger Station, historical, is 2.6 miles away. The nearest airport is San Bernardino International Airport, 39 miles from the accommodation. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.